what is Butterfly, a baby African elephant, doing in New York City? And why is she in the garden of Emma's apartment house? Oh, it's a dream. Emma is dreaming of Butterfly. Emma's new friend Thabo had talked about Butterfly that very afternoon. That little orphaned elephant was rescued and taken to the wildlife sanctuary run by Thabo's dad. In Emma's dream, Butterfly is looking for Thabo and a safe place to grow up. Why not the circus? Why not the zoo? Why not her own home in Africa? Didn't nature mean for her to be happy? Find out in An Elephant Called Butterfly, a book for children ages 8 through 12.